英国王室嘅成员真昨传出身体各样。目前英国国王查尔斯三世做立河山手术了后已经出院，另外凯特王妃嘛是东北岛嘅手术已经完成，转去处理。
How are you feeling?
野手向伫外口等嘅媒体甲民众致意，75岁英国国王查尔斯三世甲王后卡米拉斗阵离开伦敦病院，伊进行动土治疗，入河山肥大引起外界关心。北京汉宫声明表示，查尔斯三世正欣慰，知家己嘅病况诊断为公会意识带来正面嘅影响。
So that tissue is benign tissue, so non-cancerous tissue. And it's most common for men as they get older. So men over the age of around 50, it's very common that middle part of the prostate starts to grow larger.
专科护理师强调，裂河山肥大未造成严重嘅健康威胁，甲裂河山癌无直接嘅关系。进前卡米拉王后接受访问，心情也正轻松。
He's fine, thank you very much.
Thank
Looking
you.
forward to getting back to work.
另外一个受瞩目嘅焦点，就是英国凯特王妃进前也寄调伫伦敦病院做8道手术，高端院休养差不多2礼拜时间。甲国王查尔斯三世伫同一天出院，官方声明无透露任何有关凯特王妃嘅病情甲手术，只表示凯特已经登去温莎嘅徛家。记者综合报道。